Hello there guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. The Paracord mummy is a project that's been around for quite a while. Finally, I got to making these, so here is a tutorial that shows you how to make your own. For the supplies, a single strand of paracord is going to be needed. 7 feet should be enough. For your first mummy, I recommend taking 8 feet just in case. I highly recommend that you pull out the inner strands of your paracord. It's going to make your paracord lay flatter. A skull is going to be needed. I recommend one with a 5mm hole diameter. Finally, scissors and a lighter are going to help us cut and melt our paracord. Let's begin. We now tie the mummy. It is 4 inches long, with the body and the skull taking up 3 inches. The loop is 1 inch long, so a total of 4 inches. Take your cord, fold it in half. Feed the 2 ends into your skull. This part here needs to be about 4 inches long. We now tie a series of Cobra knots. Left end, under 2, over the right end. Right end, over the top, into the loop on the left. Tighten up. Right end, under 2, over the left end. Left end, over the top, into the loop on the right. Tighten up. Again, the left end, under 2, over the right end. Right end, over the top, into the loop on the left. Right end, under 2, over the left end. Left end, over the top, into the loop on the right. Keep doing this until you reach a length of about 3 inches. So once you reach a length of about 3 inches, turn your mummy around and continue with Cobra knots, this time using the previous row as a sort of a cord. So since I ended up here with a Cobra knot on the top left, I'm going to continue now with a Cobra knot on the top right. So right end under the cord over the left end over the top into the loop on the right. Tighten up. Like this. Left end under the cord over the right end over the top into the loop on the left. Again, right end under the cord over the left end over the top into the loop on the right. Left end under the cord over the right end over the top into the loop on the left. Continue this all the way up to the top, so covering this distance. Usually I tighten up less here at the start and more a bit here at the top, getting a slightly tapered effect here for the body of the mummy. This is not absolutely needed. In my opinion, it is a nice touch. So something like this. Now what we're going to do is add in the arms for the mummy. So here I finished on the top right. So I'm going to begin on the top left, under the body, over the right end. The right end passes over the top into the loop on the left. Tighten up. Right end under the body over the left end. Left end over the top into the loop on the right. Left end under the body over the right end. Right end over the top into the loop on the left. right hand, under the body, over the left hand, over the top, into the loop on the right. That completes our mummy. Trim the two ends. Our project is complete. A paracord mummy key fob. So guys, that's our project. I hope that I demonstrated all of the steps clearly enough. Thank you very much for joining me today. Consider supporting the site on Patreon, and I'll see you next time.